there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a delicious protein powder that is going to deliver all of your nutrients, then check out Orgain's Vanilla Protein Powder. I absolutely love this protein powder in vanilla. It is delicious. I've used Orgain products for a while, but this one is by far my favorite. It goes with anything you want to put in your smoothie or your shake. If you are familiar with protein powders, then you'll know they are not all created equal and they do not all taste great. So if you're looking for a protein powder that tastes good, it's going to give you a ton of protein, plant-based protein at that, then I would definitely check this one out. It blends really well. It's not chalky. It's not clumpy. I can put it in my blender or I can do a blender bottle. It turns out great. And so I would definitely say this is an easy way to get plant-based protein into your diet. It tastes really good and it's a great product with clean ingredients. So go ahead and check out Orgain protein powder if you haven't already. The chocolate is also delicious, so you can't go wrong. It's just a wonderful product. And that's my point of view.